Welcome to this English conversation practice tutorial. In this video, we'll go through some basic conversational scenarios to help you get comfortable speaking English in everyday situations. Please wait me and please subscribe the channel. What line of work are you in? What line of work are you in? I work in a bank. I work in a bank. Who do you live with? Who do you live with? I live with my parents. I live with my parents. What's the date today? What's the date today? Today is 20th of May. Today is 20th of May. Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? Yes, we accept all the major cards. Yes, we accept all the major cards. What kinds of films do you like? What kinds of films do you like? I'm really interested in action film. I'm really interested in action film. What time does the meeting start? What time does the meeting start? The meeting will start at 10 a.m. The meeting will start at 10 a.m. Where can I find the wine shop? Where can I find the wine shop? They're in North Street. They're in North Street. What does she look like? What does she look like? She's tall and slim. She's tall and slim. What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Cold coffee, please. Cold coffee, please. Could you please give me the paper? Could you please give me the paper? Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is. Could I see the room? Could I see the room? Your room number is 201. Your room number is 201. Do you prefer traveling alone? Do you prefer traveling alone? No, I love to travel with my friends. No, I love to travel with my friends. Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? I would like to go to the park. I would like to go to the park. How did you learn English? How did you learn English? I've been studying by myself. I've been studying by myself. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite drink? My favorite drink is beer. My favorite drink is beer. Today video look like this. Please subscribe the channel. See soon other video. Bye.